Hey everyone, what's up? It's Raya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we'll get right on into the video. In this video, we're going to be unboxing my first ever IPSY box. I never did IPSY, surprisingly. I am a makeup lover, as most of you guys know if you've seen anything on my channel. Usually involves makeup, but I've never done IPSY or BoxyCharm before, and there's a reason I got this IPSY box, and that's Halsey. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with her, and I love her so much. And she just came out with a makeup line called About Face. And guess what's in here? There's something from About Face in here. So that is literally why I got the entire box, is because I wanted one single product, like for sure. But then of course I'm gonna love the other products that are in here. And the box cost just as much as that one product would have cost by itself. Definitely worth it. I am so excited to dig in here with you guys. So let's do our little unboxing, and I'm gonna try out some of the products too while we're at it. Also, if you see my finger, the next video will explain all. Or Instagram would have explained it by now, so you could follow me right here if you want to and keep up with my daily life. But let's get on into this box. Here it is. And look at that, like, foam packaging. I mean, foam definitely can't be good for the environment. No freaking way. But Brett and I were talking about that. It's the world we live in. Everything is, like, bad. It's frustrating for sure, but I'm just gonna let it go and get into what's inside. So I'm just gonna start pulling this stuff out so I don't have to have this huge box on my desk anymore. There's a lot of things because I did order the add-ons. So I got the February box, so I got this cute little red lip bag. I think these bags are better than the regular makeup bags because I can just put other things in here. Different like supplies, makeup, skincare, stuff for traveling. I like these bags. So I got this one bag and that came with my box. But as you probably saw when I was pulling stuff out, I got this other bag. And that's because with my first box or something, I got like a razor kit. So that's what this bag is. So I got two really cute bags. Like, look how adorable that is. And inside are these cute little stickers. Do you guys put stickers on your laptop still? Am I too old to do that? Because these are cute. Should I put them on my laptop? Who's stopping me now? Dang, how much glue did you have to use so I couldn't get in here? Okay, so they give you a pamphlet of like everything that they offer. They have like hand cream, shaving cream, razor, body wash, body cream, face wipes. In this, all they have is this like cute razor. Like, how stinking adorable. It's like nice and hefty, which I like because I've been wanting like a good reusable razor because I use like the throwaway ones that you can use a few times. But this is a lot better, and you can feel that it's nice. And it came with like two of these, and then it came with a suction cup thing to hang it in the shower. That's awesome. Like, I probably will order the replacements for this. That's so cool. I've never had anything like that. I'm like 22 and now I'm excited about razors, but what are you gonna do? You know, when you get older, smaller things start to excite you. It's like when you're a kid, small things excite you, and then it kind of like diminishes when you're in your teens. You hate everything, and then it like starts coming back when you're 20. You're like, oh, a colander for my kitchen? Hell yeah. The little things. You have to celebrate the little things. Okay, let's get into the actual box now because I think that was just like an extra thing for signing up for your first time. So I'll go over what they gave me first. And the first product that they chose for me was this Maelle? I'm gonna guess Maelle. It's this like blush palette and it's called Sun-Kissed Blush. Well, the packaging is gorgeous. Like, it's this goldish rose gold packaging. And then here is the blush. I think it's really pretty. The only thing is almost all of them have shimmer in it. So if you're not much of a shimmery blush person, it might not be your favorite palette, but I don't mind trying shimmery blush. So we will have to give this a go after we get some other products. Oh, opened. And then the other product that they picked for me was this Gold Fade-In MD. This is for uneven skin tone, and it's their Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. And it has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. So we're gonna actually try this out today because I washed my face before I started filming this, so we can put this on. The next product is what I picked. So if you don't know how IPSY works, they pick like 2 for you, and then you get to pick like 3 for yourself. So this next product I picked myself, and it is these Vitabrid C12 Dual Drop Serum, and it's age-defying and deep hydration. All this stuff is so hydrating, and that's my fave. So let's get in here. I know like originally these were pretty expensive. I think I'll try to put the original price for everything here, and then I'll just let you know that I paid like $40 in total after I got a few like cute little add-ons. So here's these drops. They look so fancy and nice, and I don't know how much you put on. Oh, it says appropriate amount. What's that supposed to mean? We will try this with the moisturizer later. Another product that I picked is this tint liner. I think it's called their Phantom Liner. Yeah, it is. So it looked like the NYX matte liner, like the applicator and everything. And I actually am running out of my NYX liner, so I needed a new black liquid liner. And I thought I would try this one. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. That's insane. Like, that is so cool. 10 out of 10 for that. And then you just twist. I think this is top. Nope, that's the bottom. Oh, I just sprayed black eyeliner on me. I hope it's not on my sweater, but it has like this type of tip. It's like a brush tip, and it's nice and black. That was a terrible swatch, sorry. That was a terrible one too. Whoops. That's what you guys are gonna get. It's looking pretty nice. And then the last product that I like picked to be in my box without paying any extra was of course the About Face liquid eyeshadow. It's called their Matte Fluid Eye Paint, and this is in the shade Dionysus? Dionysus? I don't know. I'll put it here. Like I said, I'll put all of them up, but I don't know what that means or how to say it. But this is what I was so excited for. So here's the packaging. Isn't it awesome? It's just so cool to see like a new person come into the makeup world that hasn't been in it yet, and she really made it her own. Like, her line is hers. It's undeniably hers. Everything you can tell is her packaging. Like, you can see time went into this thought. So it comes on like a doe foot, and then there's that color. Would have been perfect for Valentine's Day, but I didn't get around to doing the video before then. I'm so excited to try this because I like that she's a painter, and then she made items that would work for people who kind of like to paint their makeup on. But I guess it also works as kind of like a regular eyeshadow, in that you can blend it with a brush. We'll have to try it out later. The next items are add-ons, and they're just like the deluxe samples. So they were like $3 each to add on, and I just couldn't say no because they were so cute and they were things that I wanted to try. The first thing that I got is this Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream. Some people say eye creams are kind of a waste of time, but I'll give it a try. The next thing that I got is this Vanilla Co. Clean It Zero Tri-Peel Acid Cleansing Balm. Pore clarifying. So it's just like a makeup cleansing balm to use as skincare in like a double cleanser step, and I'm really excited to try it out once I do have makeup on. The next thing that I got are these Basic Beauty tweezers. They're just tweezers, but they're like nice tweezers for a way cheaper price, and I mean, look how cute they are. They're like pink. I always lose my tweezers. I can find like one pair right now, but I have more than one pair and I never can find them, so I just thought it wouldn't hurt to have another pair of tweezers. The last thing that I got came in like this whole thing to tell me all about it, but it's this Design Me Gloss Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Hair Serum. I obviously can't do it today because my hair is already in like a slicked back bun, so I will be using this sometime that my hair is like after the shower or it's a bit frizzy. I will try this out. The last thing that I got is this Kokie Cosmetics Hydrating Setting Spray. I saw it was only $3. I decided I would try this out with makeup sometime, and I love anything that's hydrating and dewy. And that's my whole little box. That's our little unboxing of it all. I guess we can can start with like the skincare part of it. So I'll try out this Gold Fatten MD moisturizer. I was like so excited to get this box because it's like a little Christmas present every month. So just gonna take a little bit of this. It's nice and creamy. I usually do use like a cream moisturizer instead of the gel moisturizers. Let's just see how it feels. Ooh, it smells so good. It's like such a nice citrus smell. Skincare is the best. I also put this on in the wrong order, so that's good. I meant to put on the drops first, but whatever. We're just trying the stuff out. I'm gonna put makeup on over this, and then I'm gonna have to take it all off and use it again. I'm just gonna try the vitamin C serum drops too. It's in the wrong order. Don't come for me. I don't really care. And it says appropriate amount, so that's a little weird. Why is the tip like tilted? Is that so you can get the product on the side? Because if so, that's kind of genius, but it also just looks defective. And I just took a couple of drops and I'm putting them in between my fingers. Ooh, this also smells good and feels good. I obviously can't give you guys like much information about how it's made my skin feel or affected my skin long term, but I can tell you how it feels now, and it feels nice. I know this stuff was expensive, not cheap originally. I don't know what it's supposed to feel like. My skin does feel nice. I mean, I did just put the moisturizer on too. I think it looks nice. And I guess I could try the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream too. We're not gonna test everything, but we'll test what I can. Let's just, oh, this is like way thicker than I usually use under my eyes. This one is thick, which I actually really like because I feel like it'll hydrate my under eyes more and kind of counteract the tightness that can occur with under eye products. That felt like really nice. Even if it doesn't do anything for me, I like how it feels. What's next? What's next? Now that everything's like soaked into my skin, I'm just going to be trying the Maelle, I really don't know how you pronounce it, but Maelle blush palette. So I'm just gonna kinda, yeah, nice. And I'm just going to see how it looks. Oh, I'm already liking it. And I just took this Danielle powder brush to put this on. So my only thing is, it looks like this side isn't blending out like this side did. I don't know if I just grabbed too much product. Not sure. You can see how this side is like blended and stuff. And the front of this doesn't look blended at all. Nyx! Sorry, Nyx moved my camera. So like I was saying, I just don't feel like it looks fully blended, and I don't know how much I can blend for it to work. Yeah, I just don't think it's blending that well, but that could be because I'm on bare skin and not on like a foundation or something. So I'll have to try it again, but the color's pretty. Anyways, moving on to the next thing, I think I'm going to try out the About Face like liquid eyeshadow, or fluid eye paint it is called. I think I'm gonna try to take it on a brush, like a small pencil brush, and just see what we can do here. Well, it's already gliding on like super easy. And I'm just messing around, guys. I'm not trying to do like the most perfect look ever, and it doesn't take a bunch of product at all. I mean, that's cool already. You can also just use the applicator it came with. I mean, I already just did this like graphic look so easily. And let me tell you, even with like a liquid liner, it's not that easy. That's really cool. Like really cool that this was just so easy to throw on. I honestly think it's like such an innovative product to come out with, and I think other companies obviously have liquid eyeshadows too, but even calling them like paint is awesome because I think it will get more people into trying out makeup if they're like originally painters or something. There's the liquid eye paint. I think it's so cool. But on my other eye, I thought it'd be cool to try out the liquid liner, which I'm not excited for because I'm gonna have to take this off. I'm excited for the product, but not excited to use it necessarily right now because I'm gonna have to take it off before work. So let's just try eyeliner on this side. Well, I think that's the fastest wing I've ever threw on in my whole life, and it looks So pretty. I didn't do like all the way into my inner corner. I just kind of did to the middle of my lid. That is awesome. I mean, it took a little bit of building up to get the color like filled in, but wow. No, seriously, like I don't think I've ever done a wing that fast in my whole life. That's awesome. Wow. I was like, I don't want to try this. Here we are. Now I wish my other eye just looked like this and I could wear just this. I really should like not keep going and should just move on, but I might try to line around this with black because I think that would be cool. I mean, it's not the best ever, but cool idea, cool concept to do for like a real look when I'm really trying, but we're looking interesting right now. I think that's about all we can try right now. I did like all of the actual products that I got, so that's cool. They got to see the real products. I guess that's gonna be our video. I really like the eyeliner. This wing I'm obsessed with. I really like the matte fluid eye paint. I want to play with it so much more, and I'm sure I'll play with it a ton. The blush I need to try over like a foundation because it's definitely not blending on my bare skin. And the vitamin drops feel amazing, and so did the moisturizer. So I'll give those a thumbs up for right now. Oh, my poor little pinky. Anyways, I would give my first IPSY box like a 10 out of 10, but it probably would have been a 10 out of 10 anyways because it had the About Face product in it. Not gonna lie, I really like everything that I got, and I think it's gonna be so fun to be able to try new products out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you if you ever thought about having an IPSY box, ever thought about getting one. If you've had one and you just want to see what was in this month's one or how to use some of the products, I hope this video helped. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe down below to keep up with me in my videos and other unboxings, makeup, everything, lifestyle, vlogging. I do a lot of different things. And comment down below if you've ever done like a makeup subscription, which one you've done and how you liked it, because obviously I'm curious because this was my first one. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be explaining what the heck happened here, and that will be out on Sunday. Okay, bye guys!